I'm Sylvia. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing of my two new folios for Apple iPad Pro 2020 12.9 inch, both in my favorite white color. First of them is iPad Magic Keyboard. In a minimalistic box you can find keyboard and short manual showing up how to use this device. Mounting is very easy. You have to just open keyboard and touch backside of iPad to prepared place. Magnet will do the rest and will keep iPad very strong and stable. After mounting, you can just start typing. Any additional settings are not needed. Magic Keyboard seems to be a bit heavy, but it makes her the stable stand for the iPad. Backlit keys seems to be the same comfortable as in the MacBook. This slim folio has built a small but very useful sensitive trackpad. Usually during my travels I was taking external keyboard and mouse, what was not really comfortable during packing a baggage. Now I have everything in one device. Built USB-C socket let connect additional accessories or charging iPad without hanging wire. I have to admit that price iPad Magic Keyboard is high, but it's worth quality of that product. My next folio is iPad Smart Folio with even more minimalistic box than the previous one. Backside of this package has infographic explaining how to use this folio. This box contains only accessory. Internal side of this folio is coated by the soft fabric which protects iPad against scratching. Magnetic mounting is the same easy as in the Magic Keyboard. iPad Smart Folio is very elegant, slim, and high quality accessory. Magnetic mount is very strong and don't let device fall out. iPad Smart Folio is not only protecting device against scratching, can be useful also as an iPad stand in a horizontal or vertical mode. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.